Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking 3 to 4 coordinating colors and one patterned note to avoid visual clutter. Once chosen, trim one sticky note to the diary margin size and test it on a scrap page to check for bleeding or transfer. Make sure to have scissors, a ruler, washi, a fine tip pen, and one glue dot at hand. Then position the first trimmed sticky note where a header or quick list will sit. Press firmly for 5 seconds to set the bond before writing. Once the first note is set, build a clear hierarchy. Reserve top left for headers, right edge for quick reminders, and inner margins for journaling slips. Layer sticky notes by offsetting each by about 1/4 inch so edges show. This creates depth without bulky overlap. Use micro tabs for frequently accessed pages and label them with a fine tip pen. Make sure to balance color distribution across the page so the eye moves naturally. Press each layer to secure. To finish, secure outer edges of layered notes with a thin strip of washi or a small glue dot. This preserves flexibility while preventing curl. Add minimal decorative accents like tiny doodles or a date stamp to integrate notes into your layout, and label each note's purpose so you can scan the page quickly. If a note peels up later, press the adhesive edge for 10 seconds, and, if needed, replace it or reinforce the area with a narrow washi tape strip as your key troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.